Hi, it's Stuart again, Constable, Ambisonic. It's Easter Monday. I'm out again. It's meant to rain, but I thought that would mean there would be clouds. So here we are, all set up. Let's see how long it goes before we get a torrential downpour. Well, thankfully, it didn't rain. It stayed off. We got half an hour of rather dark clouds, not quite so defined, but that's how it was. We had some great green woodpeckers though, and like always, big clumsy hoof coming in here with my big boots on, obviously scared everything away. And it takes a while for nature to come back. So it's about 15 minutes or so before birds kept coming back into the field of vision and hearing. So patience is a virtue, and but it makes you realise, just the impact one person can have on the natural world just by being here. It changes everything. So yeah, something to be mindful of. Just as we get back into town, it starts raining. So we're going to go into the Marlborough to use it as an office.